Want to build a brand that explodes in popularity? Learn the secrets behind MrBeast's success and how you can apply them to your own channel. We're about to break down how to build a brand that blows up just like we did. You know, hitting those crazy subscriber numbers, getting those views off the charts, and building a community that's more like a family. We're talking about the strategies, the secrets, the stuff they don't teach you in YouTube school. Get ready to take some notes. In the world of digital media, content is king. It's the crown jewel that can make or break your channel. It's not just about putting something out there. It's about creating something that resonates, something that sticks with your audience long after they've clicked away. MrBeast doesn't just make videos, he creates experiences. But hold up, I'm not just talking about hitting record and hoping for the best. No, it's about meticulous planning, understanding your audience, and delivering what they didn't even know they needed. It's about crafting a narrative, a story that pulls people in and keeps them hooked from start to finish. We're talking about creating experiences, the kind that people can't stop watching, can't stop sharing. Think about the last time you watched a video that you just had to send to a friend. What made it so compelling? Was it the humor, the drama, the sheer creativity? That's the kind of content you need to aim for. Think about it. We don't just give away money, we bury it in a mountain of Orbeez. It's not just a giveaway, it's an event, an experience that people want to be a part of. It's about taking a simple idea and amplifying it to the point where it becomes unforgettable. We don't just play hide and seek, we do it in a freaking stadium. The scale, the grandeur, the sheer audacity of it all, that's what makes it stand out. It's about pushing boundaries and doing things that no one else is doing. We push the limits, go bigger, bolder, crazier than anyone else out there. Whether it's extreme stunts, over-the-top challenges, or large-scale pranks, it's all about creating moments that people will remember and talk about. It's about being fearless and taking risks. And you gotta bring that same energy to your videos. Step up your production game, invest in good equipment, learn the ins and outs of editing, and don't be afraid to experiment. The more effort you put into the production, the more it shows in the final product. Make it cinematic, make it pop, make it sound incredible. Use vibrant colors, crisp audio, and dynamic shots to keep your audience engaged. Every detail matters, from the lighting to the sound design. It's about creating a sensory experience that captivates your viewers. People can tell when you put in the effort, and trust me, it pays off. When your audience sees the quality and dedication you put into your content, they're more likely to stick around, engage, and share your videos. Positive reactions and comments are a testament to your hard work. Don't forget about what's hot right now. What are people talking about? What's trending? Staying relevant is crucial. Keep an eye on social media trends, popular hashtags, and current events. But don't just follow the trends. Use them as a springboard to create something unique. Jump on those trends, but put your own spin on it. Make it your own. It's not enough to just copy what others are doing. Add your personality, your style, your voice. That's what will set you apart and make your content memorable. Remember the $1 versus $10,000 food challenge? It wasn't just about the money, it was about the contrast, the surprise, the reactions. It was about creating a narrative that people wanted to follow. Everyone was doing those, but we took it to the next level, and that's what makes the difference. It's about innovation, creativity, and always striving to be better. So go out there, create content that commands attention, and make your mark. Now, let's talk about the heart of the channel, giving back. This channel isn't just about creating viral content or racking up views. It's about making a tangible difference in people's lives. We believe in the power of generosity and the ripple effect it can create. When we give, we inspire others to do the same, creating a chain reaction of kindness and goodwill. Look, anyone can flash cash, but it's about more than that. It's easy to get caught up in the glitz and glamour of wealth, but true fulfillment comes from using that wealth to uplift others. It's not just about the money, it's about the intention behind it. Are you giving to show off, or are you giving to make a real difference? It's about using what we have to make a real impact. Whether it's time, resources, or money, the goal is to create positive change. We focus on projects that have a lasting effect, that can transform lives and communities. It's about being a force for good in a world that desperately needs it. When we give away cars, pay off student loans, or build houses for those in need, we're not just handing out material goods. We're providing opportunities, relieving burdens, and giving people a chance to thrive. These acts of kindness can be life-changing, offering a fresh start and a new perspective. It's not just about the money, it's about inspiring others to do the same. When people see these acts of generosity, they're moved to take action themselves. It's about creating a culture of giving, where everyone feels empowered to make a difference, no matter how big or small. When you show that you care, When you use your platform for good, people notice. They see the authenticity and the genuine desire to help, and it resonates with them. It's about building a community of like-minded individuals who are all striving to make the world a better place. It builds a connection, a sense of trust, that goes a long way. People want to be part of something bigger than themselves, and when they see that you're committed to making a positive impact, they're more likely to support you and your mission. People want to support creators who are making the world a better place, and that's what we're all about. It's not just about the content we create, but the values we stand for. We aim to inspire, to uplift, and to bring about meaningful change. But here's the thing, you gotta be genuine. People can tell when you're being authentic and when you're just putting on a show. Genuine acts of kindness come from the heart, and they have a way of touching people deeply. Don't just give stuff away for the views. It's tempting to chase viral moments, but the real reward comes from knowing you've made a difference. When your actions are driven by a genuine desire to help, the impact is far more profound and long-lasting. Do it because you actually want to help, because you care about the people you're helping. When you give from the heart, it shows, and it inspires others to do the same. It's about creating a legacy of kindness and compassion. That authenticity shines through, and it's what makes the difference between a publicity stunt and a genuine act of kindness. It's about being true to yourself and your values, and letting that guide your actions. In the end, it's the genuine connections and the positive impact that matter the most. MrBeast treats his audience like royalty. These are the people who watch your videos, leave comments, share your stuff, and make all of this possible. Engaging with fans is key. Respond to their comments, host giveaways, and create a sense of belonging. Collaborations are powerful. Partner with other creators, expand your reach, and introduce your brand to new audiences. The more people you can reach, the stronger your community becomes. Remember, a rising tide lifts all boats. Building a movement means creating a passionate community that feels invested in your success. You're creating a group of people who are passionate about what you do and want to see you succeed. That kind of support is invaluable. Decoding the MrBeast blueprint. Look, I'm not gonna lie, getting to where we are today took a lot of work. It wasn't an overnight success story. It was a journey filled with countless hours of planning, strategizing, and executing. We had to be relentless in our pursuit of excellence, and that meant making sacrifices and staying committed even when things got tough. It wasn't just luck. It was about having a plan, putting in the hours, and never settling for anything less than the best. We had to be meticulous in our approach, ensuring that every detail was accounted for. From brainstorming sessions to late-night edits, every step was crucial in building the foundation of our success. We plan our content meticulously, we invest in high-quality production, and we're always pushing ourselves to be better. Our team is dedicated to creating the best possible content, and that means staying on top of the latest trends and technologies. We constantly evaluate our work, looking for ways to improve and innovate. But it's not just about the technical stuff. It's about being relatable, being yourself, and letting your personality shine through. Authenticity is key. People can tell when you're being genuine, and that's what they connect with. It's those real, unscripted moments that resonate the most with our audience. People connect with authenticity, so don't be afraid to let your freak flag fly. Embrace what makes you unique and let it be a part of your content. Whether it's a quirky hobby or a unique perspective, those are the things that make you stand out in a crowded digital space. And you've got to stay ahead of the game. Pay attention to what's trending, what people are talking about, and be ready to adapt. The digital landscape is always evolving, and to stay relevant, you need to be flexible and willing to change your approach. This means constantly researching, learning, and staying informed about the latest developments. The online world is constantly changing, so you got to be willing to change with it. Embrace new technologies, experiment with different formats, and don't be afraid to take risks. It's all about staying dynamic and being open to new possibilities. Remember, the key to success is not just hard work, but also the ability to adapt and grow with the ever-changing digital landscape. Scaling your impact. Success is built on a strong foundation. It's not just about one person, it's about the power of a dedicated team. Behind every viral video, there's a crew working tirelessly to make it happen. From brainstorming sessions to late-night edits, every team member plays a crucial role. Building a team, delegating tasks, leveraging expertise, and creating a high-performing organization. It's about finding people who are as passionate about your vision as you are. When you have a team that believes in your mission, the sky's the limit. Leveraging social media, mastering multiple platforms, maximizing reach, and engaging with audiences across different channels. MrBeast doesn't just stick to one platform, he dominates them all. From YouTube to Instagram to Twitter, he's everywhere. And that's how he reaches millions. Investing in growth, continuously evolving, exploring new opportunities, and staying ahead of the curve. MrBeast is always looking for the next big thing, whether it's a new video concept or a groundbreaking collaboration. He's not afraid to take risks, and that's what keeps him at the top. Remember, scaling your impact is about more than just numbers. It's about building a brand that resonates, a team that executes, and a strategy that adapts to the ever-changing digital landscape. Keep pushing, keep innovating, and you'll see your hard work pay off. Know your audience. You've got to know who you're making videos for. For us, it's about reaching a broad audience, but especially young adults and Gen Z. They're the ones who crave adventure, excitement, and those "how is this even possible" moments. We tap into that desire for escapism, for something bigger than themselves. Our videos offer a break from reality, a chance to experience something extraordinary from the comfort of their own screens. And collaborations are key. By teaming up with other creators, we're able to tap into their audiences, introducing our brand to a whole new group of potential fans. It's a win-win for everyone involved. Consistency, the not-so-secret sauce. Here's the thing about YouTube, or any platform for that matter, you gotta be consistent. You can't just drop a video every now and then and expect people to stick around. You gotta be there week after week delivering the goods. That means uploading regularly, keeping your content fresh, and always looking for new ways to innovate. But it also means staying true to your brand identity. Your audience needs to know what to expect from you. Think of it like your favorite TV show. You tune in every week because you know what you're gonna get. The same characters, the same style, the same level of quality. That's what keeps people coming back for more. Having a strong brand identity is crucial for the success of your business. It helps create a memorable and recognizable brand that resonates with your target audience. Developing a distinct voice and style that resonates with viewers. You gotta be you. Find your voice, your style, what makes you unique, and amplify it. Don't try to be someone you're not. People can spot a phony a mile away. Think about your visual identity too. Your logo, your colors, your thumbnails, it all matters. Keep it consistent across all your platforms so people instantly recognize your brand. And most importantly, be authentic. Stay true to your values, your beliefs, and what you stand for. People connect with authenticity, and it's what will ultimately set you apart from the crowd. So there you have it, guys. Those are some of the key ingredients to building a brand that explodes. Remember, it's all about creating unforgettable experiences, giving back to your community, and being relentlessly consistent. Don't be afraid to experiment, to push boundaries, and to be yourself. The world needs more creators who are willing to take risks and make a difference. Now go out there, crush it, and show the world what you're made of. And hey, when you hit that subscribe milestone, let me know. I might just show up to your next video shoot. Peace.